When we do a location map, you must go to Google Earth Pro and then open, create a polygon of KML file. Then I select polygon, go to the polygon marker, this area. So I write my location map of the prospect. Red line, the outer face. Then click on the vertex. Then save as a KML file. Then goes to ArcGIS. Open my files, and then I click on Windows search. I arrange my file first. Then I want to change KML file to layers. Then click in here and then add my prospect, and then I select my location. I convert this polygon to layer, and then this is my layer. So I can add my GIS data file from my Windows. I can add in the folder connection or in the add file connection. I can add to we can add on to system. I click on here and then GIS file, GIS data, and then I select two for the end zones, and then I can remove, and then I can add also this roads. Then it goes to settlement, can add, and then can arrange this as a shape file. Go and add the data. This system is, you can see it. This is a polygon, not shape file. So I can convert data, export data as a shape file, and then select my folder and my location is I think this one. Yes, this one. Then I save it and directly convert to shape file with polygons. Then OK. I rename my shape file. My steady boundary shape files, and then yes, then remove this polygon. Hello. Then clip and then first add settlement, then my boundary, and then select my locations of folders. Then remove this one, and I add the road. Administrative admin already. No matter this one is correct. Then save it and then remove that one, and then the clip admin zones, and then select my folders, these zones, and then click on OK. Then remove this admin 2, this admin 2, and then open data frame. Then I arrange my frame scales and skip. Then I fix boundaries of these frames, and then add the other one, and also rewrite waradas, and then add warada in the data frame, and also the boundaries, and then add the data frame, then add this one zone zones, and then add zones and boundaries, and then remove the above one, and then data frame also add Ethiopia or elevation Ethiopia. So I add Ethiodems from my file, then go to my yes, this mosaic one, and add, and then I can rearrange it and add my boundary, and also click in here, get over, and elevation 2, elevation 1 add matter layers guide, that's the area, then above and hello red one, so, and then activate fix the extent, and then select this study boundary, add this one because it's on my shop file, and then I can fix the extent after layer and detail boundary, and then rearrange it. Nextly, all of them I rearrange like this to full fixed extent, and then settlements method, yes, one. Then settlement, I select this one, then I can want to label, but it is so much, so I don't add. Decrease this one. Then already label it, rearrange like this, and then try OK, and then also add the this shape file to arrange this regular shapes. I want to rectangular perfectly. I want to create a new shape file, and then I want to redraw or the boundary in a rectangular, perfect rectangular to fix extent, and then I can do it like this. Can rearrange this area perfectly rectangular, so I can edit. Start editing, select my boundaries, I can draw it up rectangular, perfectly rectangular I want to draw, because it is rough irregular. I want to make perfectly rectangular, and I can draw like this. This is very, yes, this is very good. So I can draw like this. This is perfectly rectangular. Then save edit, and then stop editing. Then I want to add, remove this one and add this one on all my frames. Let's remove it, and then I add. Yes, this one is already very good. Fixed extent. Yes. Then as the frames fixed rectangular, I can rearrange the below too, but no matter, like this for showing off only. So fixed extent, and then is my 3D area and boundary also add. Not like this is very good. So yes, is enough. Yes, name to, and then I remove the all value. Remove this one. Select this color. Can select whatever you want. I want to fix like this, and then I can dual. Can add the grids like this. Bold, and then age. Apply OK like this. Migrate so small light one. I arrange 0, 10, similar. Apply OK. Yes, this is very good. So I can write text next 3 or yes. What I write? Hold on. Enough. I put already next zone. Like this zone. Play. That is enough. Play OK. This one. And then add a legend. So first one. Legend, yes. Yes, this one is zones. I can remove name too. Divide it. Legends boundary. Or this. So much. Finish this one. Like this I do it. It's so much. I'm a very large ورقة. This one is our ورقة that name too. I can delete it like this. Right click and then rearrange like this. So this is my legend, and then I add now the north arrow and the grids. North arrow I add like this, and I put on the above for steady. Yes, this is very good. Much very good. And then the scale bar, whatever you want, we select whatever you want. I select like this, and then rearrange. KM is enough. Okay, and then what to arrange this one. And this is enough. And then knit line. Rearrange my knit line. I draw like this. Draw like this also to show my study area in our location. Yes, this, put like this. Yes, it's perfect. So this is my location map. That is I do it and export it, and then on my file, my location. And this one is, yes, this is our location maps. Save it and render it. I render finish, and then I'll show you. This one is my location map that I do it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.